Getting lifted up right now. This is the last stop. Let me see if y'all can hear this. Sunroof is open. What's good, everybody, man? Life with D Black, back at it with another video. Big day. I know I told y'all Friday I was going to get something done to the truck, but we had to delay that, man. A lot of stuff was going on, but today's the big day. Let's get on into it, man. I ain't finna do no talking. See what we got in stored, man. Let's see what we got in stored. A good spot I can park. I'll just bag up right here. Wait till I get my camera put in. Come on, G. Come on, G. All right. This is the last stop. That's gonna be the last time y'all hear my truck like that. Getting lifted up right now. They said it'll take about 30 minutes. All they gotta do is cut the exhaust, pull it off, put the pipe, and that'll be it, really. All right, y'all, it is on and popping. Let me see if y'all can hear this. Sunroof is open. Sounds great. Sounds very great. Roll the window down. Let's see. Definitely sounds like an American muscle, man. I'm gonna pull over for y'all and give y'all a few revs, like from a standstill point. But y'all already knew what it was gonna sound like, man. Let me show y'all. Y'all, this is me at a standstill, revving up. That's all I'm gonna do. I don't want to piss nobody off, you know what I'm saying? But it's loud as, I ain't gonna say the F word, but it's loud as. But I told y'all I had something in store. Cheapest exhaust you could ever buy, especially on a V8 vehicle. Straight pipe. Of course I would go straight pipe instead of getting any other muffler. You know, mufflers are expensive, probably starting at 90 bucks, then installation and labor, and it would have added up to like 200 bucks. This alone was $40. $40. Why not, man? This brings the real muscle out of this car, out of this truck, out of this SUV, whatever you want to call it, man. You could really hear the muscle. Yeah. You hear the real grumble and grumble, man. It sounds great. Elite pulled up. So let me show you. Right here. You see how it's bent down?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, they would have had to cut. Right. How big that one is, they would have had to cut right here to have it like that. But yeah, brother. Yeah, they did it, bro. Like, quick, let me see if I could. Hell no. Oh shit, yeah. Yeah, when I rev it and shit, bro, it sound good.
It sound good when it's on and everything.
Yeah. I'll rev it a couple times, but I ain't in there knocked out. All right, y'all. Probably be the last time y'all see the VW on stock tires. We'll see in a couple days. He said he'll bring it through. On what he got next, man, y'all gotta stay tuned. And this is something I was thinking about getting done to the smoked out. I don't know, bro, because when I smoked my Tahoe, shit got old real quick. Yeah. What's good, y'all? Just like that, we're in a new day. As y'all see, I'm at work. I hope y'all liked this video of the exhaust getting done. I told y'all I had something in store for y'all. Make sure I told y'all I had something in store for y'all. The exhaust is done. It sounds great. It has like a pop noise, like it sound real good. It don't sound like an exotic or nothing. It sounds like muscly, and I like it, man. And on any V8, if you do like a straight pipe or any kind of mufflers on the V8, it always sounds good. I love the way it sounds. Even in park, from a cold start, if you just put the key in and turn it on, or hit the button and turn it on, it sounds great. I think my neighbors may be a little pissed off, maybe, but I go to work at about 11:20 every day, so mostly everybody awoke. I stay around a lot of elderly white people. They mostly retired, so either they doing housework around the lawn or something, or they're not even at home. But all my neighbors are cool. I'm actually getting more closer with the neighbor who's standing in front of me, Mr. Randy. But other than that, man, I love how the exhaust sound. It sound great. I got more coming for y'all. Y'all think I'm done? Nope. I'm really just getting started. I want to do a whole bunch of stuff with the Jeep. As far as, I don't think I'm gonna lift it, but I do want mud tires. I do want to tint it. I'm not gonna get subwoofers and speakers and all that, but I want to do the tires. I want to do tint, and that'll probably be it. Hello, you go home?
Yeah.
The time has come.
It's done.
10:30. 10:30.
10:30.
Yeah.
What time did you get in? 10:30 or 10 o'clock?
Well, I got here late today. They called me to come help out.
Oh.
Yeah, but once I
came in at 6:30. So.
Oh yeah, it's time.
It's overtime.
Yeah, exactly.
It's over my time already.
Exactly. Yeah.
That's okay. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Well, you have a good night.
Definitely. See you later. Yeah. All right, you guys. Got interrupted. All right, back to what I was saying. Little nurse, she wanted to talk to me. But other than that, man, the exhaust sounds great. I hope y'all liked it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. I got a lot coming up in these videos. I'm actually about to get with my brother-in-law, and Has a 61 or 62 Volkswagen Beetle. It's like 300 horsepower. I'm gonna go ride in that. So y'all stay tuned with that. I'm also gonna go ride. I don't know if I should snap the GoPro on and ride on the highway, because y'all won't really get to hear me talk. Y'all will really just see me riding through and stuff. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, I got the 300 horsepower Volkswagen video coming up, and y'all just stay tuned, man. I got a lot of content coming up. Y'all just gotta be patient, subscribe, and be ready, man, because it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. But like I say, man, life with D Black is here. I'm here to stay, man. 2020 finna be great. I got nothing but good shit coming, man. Good shit, good shit, good shit. Y'all stay tuned, man. Subscribe, like, share. Till next video, peace.